Hello students, good morning to all. So last class we were discussing about the Pythagoras theorem applications. Now in that one more question, applications only. Prove that 3 times the square of any side the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude, square of the altitude. Think this is your textual question only. Okay. See, prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. Now I am going to prove here. This is an equilateral triangle. Means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Given is triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Now prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times the square of the altitude. Means I need the altitude, so I draw a AD is perpendicular to BC. One thing you need to remember here, in equilateral triangle, altitude, median, angular bisector all are same. This AD only altitude of the triangle ABC from A, this AD only median of the triangle ABC from A, and this AD only angular bisector of angle A. Okay. So since in equilateral triangle altitude and median are same. Means that is nothing but AD only altitude as well as median also. That means BD is equal to DC. Half of the BC. Median also. Median means a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle is called median. Now required to prove. This information I wrote, that's what my proof will be easy. Required to prove is thus 3 times the square of any side, means 3 into AB square is equal to 4 times of the AD square, altitude square I am taking. You can take in y sir, AB sir, why not BC, why not AC, anything you can take. Since I took AD perpendicular on BC, I can't take the AB, so that I took AB. I can't take BC, so I took a AB. Proof. In triangle ABD, angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. Triangle ABD, angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to, is it reachable to you? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Let me check that is it reachable or not. Yes. So, in triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle given. They mentioned equilateral triangle. I took as an ABC as an equilateral triangle. That means AB, BC, CA are equal. And AD is perpendicular BC I drawn because I need to prove with the altitude no, so I need a altitude. I took a perpendicular line. Since in equilateral triangle altitude and median are same. Altitude and median are same. So this AD only altitude, this AD only median from this vertex A. From the vertex A, only one vertex. From every vertex there is a one altitude, one median will exist. Okay. AD only median, AD only altitude. Median is nothing but a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle is called as a median. That means opposite side divided into two equal parts. That means BD is equal to DC is equal to half of the DC. Now I have to prove that 3 into AB square is equal to 4 into AD square. To prove that, I considered this triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square can be written as a half of the BC. So BC by 2 whole square I am writing. Instead of BD, BC by 2 I am writing. Now AB square is equal to AD square plus BC square by 4. Now again take the LCM in left hand side. Sorry, right hand side. 4AD square plus BC square. Now cross multiply here. 4AB square is equal to 4AD square plus BC square. Without taking the LCM, you can't transpose this for this side. Now BC and AB are same. So 4AB square minus AB square is equal to 4AD square. Since BC is equal to AB. BC is equal to AB. So 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. Hence proof. Please write down this. Hope you understand. Once I will explain this one. See here, prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Since in equilateral triangle, this point very important, keep it in mind this one. Don't forget. In equilateral triangle, altitude from a vertex, if you draw a altitude, that is only considered as a median, that is only considered as an angular bisector also. Okay. So AD is altitude as well as a median. That is nothing but a median means BC will divide it into two equal halves. So BD is equal to DC is equal to half of the BC. Now I consider ABD triangle. In triangle ABD, I angle ADB is 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now AB square is equal to AD square plus BD I wrote as a BC by 2 whole square. Now AD square plus BC square by 4. Now take LCM, 4 AD square plus BC square by 4. 4 cross multiply, 4 AB square is equal to 4 AD square plus BC square. This BC square transfer this side minus BC square. Instead of BC, AB is substituted. 4 AB square minus AB square is equal to 4 AD square. 3 AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Hence true. Okay? So, next question. Okay. Next one. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meters more than twice the shortest side. Twice the shortest side. If the third side is 2 meters less than the hypotenuse, find the sides of the triangle. Just for change, I took one simple numerical question because proofs every time. If I continue that one, you may feel bored. So I took a numerical problem. See here, in triangle ABC, I took angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Obviously, right angle opposite is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meters more than the twice the shortest side. Let us assume that shortest side is AB is equal to x meters, you suppose. Then hypotenuse is AC is equal to 6 meters more than twice means 2 times of the shortest side. 6 meters more now plus 6 meters. The third side is BC. BC is equal to hypotenuse minus 2 meters, shorter than the 2 meters, less no. Now BC is equal to 2x plus 6 minus 2. BC is equal to 2x plus 4. Now by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC is 2x plus 6 whole square is equal to AB is x square plus BC is 2x plus 4 whole square. Okay. Now 4x square plus a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, b square 2 to the 4, 4 6 is 24x, x square plus 4x square plus 16 plus 2 to the 4, 4 4 is 16x. Now 4x square can cancel. Now x square plus 16x plus 16 just interchanging places is equal to 24x plus 36. Transpose this term to this side. X square plus 16x minus 24x plus 16 minus 36 is equal to 0. All terms I took this side. Just I wrote first this one and then I wrote this one right side. For convenient purpose only. Now x square minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. 10 2s are 20. So x square minus 10x minus plus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. X common x minus 10 plus 2 common x minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 10 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Generally sides never be negative. So x minus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, shortest side is equal to 10 meters. Hypotenuse is equal to 10 to the 20 plus 1, 6 is 26 meters. Third side is equal to 20 plus 1, 24 meters. Okay, please write this one. Okay, the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle is 6 meters more than the twice the shortest side. Let us assume that shortest side is x meters. Okay, then hypotenuse is AC is equal to 2x plus 6, twice the 6 meters more than twice the shortest one, 2x plus 6. Then third side is equal to 2 meters less than the hypotenuse, means 2x plus 6 minus 2, that equal to 2x plus 4. Now I applied a Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to, means AC means 2x plus 6 whole square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4 whole square. A plus B whole square, expand, 4x square plus 36 plus 24x is equal to x square plus again a plus b whole square, 4x square plus 16 plus 16x, that is equal to x square plus 16x plus 16. First I wrote the right hand side, I wrote as a left side value I wrote as a right side, that's it. Just I changed their places. So x square all take to left side, x square plus 16x minus 24x plus 16 minus 36 equals 0. X square minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. 10 2s are 20, minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. So x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. X common x minus 10 plus 2 common x minus 10. X minus 10 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Actually, two values will get, since sides of any triangle never be negative, so I took a x minus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. Shortest side is 10 meters. Then hypotenuse is 26 meters. Third side is 24 meters. Okay. Now next problem. Next one simple problem I will take. I will close this session because time may not be sufficient. Videos, if I take long videos are not clear. Then buffering. So I am taking a short duration. So one more video, one more question I will take and I will close this session. Next one is in triangle ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. It is right angle as well as isosceles. Right angle at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square or 2BC square also they asked. One more question. Many times they asked in CBSE also. Triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle at C. Right angle is C. Remaining two you can take anything. ABC. So isosceles means other than hypotenuse, these perpendicular sides are equal. Perpendicular sides are equal. In triangle ABC, given this, angle C is equal to 90 degrees, and since it is isosceles means other than hypotenuse, remaining perpendicular sides are equal. Means AC is equal to BC. Now required to prove is AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square. Proof. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. But already we know that AC and BC are equal. So as per my requirement, AC are equal. So BC replaced with AC. If they ask to prove BC square now, AC replaced with BC. That's so AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. Since AC is equal to BC, you can replace as you require. So AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square, hence proved. Write down this. See here, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle right angle at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square they ask. In triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degrees because right angle at C now. And one more is isosceles word used. Isosceles is nothing but any two sides of the triangle are equal. Since it is a right angle triangle, definitely hypotenuse never be equal to any other side. Because hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse will be longest side. Other than hypotenuse, remaining two sides are equal because three sides are there. Among those one right angle will be eliminated. The other two perpendicular sides only equal. That means AC and BC are equal. AC and BC are equal. Right angle opposite is hypotenuse. AB is not. AB is the longest side. So in triangle ABC, I have to prove AB square equal to AC square. In triangle ABC, since C is 90 degrees, AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square by Pythagoras theorem. As per my requirement, AC are required, so BC are replaced with AC. In question, if they ask BC, 2BC square now, AC replaced with BC. That's it. Okay. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. AC square plus AC square 2AC square. AB square equal to 2AC square. Hence proved. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Next session we discuss few more applications on Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.